got our outlets over there. You see them? Yeah. They're right there. I can't do it. I'm stupid. Okay, we got bottles. We got our outlet. We got our fan. We got water. We got weapons. We got a dog poking her nose through the tent. We got food over there, whatever that is. Okay, we got survival kits and stuff. And we're going to see how this turns out. You know, this is 1 minute now. We're going to see how this turns out a little bit. And then he just took out whatever that thing is.
Where's my cooking kit?
His cooking kit! Not sure if you can hear me!
No.
Yes, we are making marshmallow.
I lit it.
I am dumb. I've used the wrong side. Now my hand's stuck.
I lit it.
You see that fire? I know Spanish. Yes I do. Who taught you that?
You.
Looks like you made a fair point. It fell over.
You better edit that out.
No, I'm not gonna edit anything out. That's disgusting. Just like, that's like, and you just like, oh yeah, look at my marshy mallows. Oh yes. Oh, marshmallow. Ooh. Skittle, I will eat you. Look at that burnt marshmallow. Look at it. Pour some liquid.
No.
Are you out of liquid?
Yeah.
The slightest drop will just like
Blow up.
Okay, so back guys. But we couldn't wait. You know, time doesn't go by fast. You see sparks. Oh, I see that. Doesn't it hurt your hand?
No.
So yeah, it's not quite nighttime, but it's like pretty dark. On camera, it looks different. A little bit. It's a little bit darker than what it seems. So we're gonna start a fire, cook some food, throw the new.
Hold on, it's because the cotton balls keep falling off.
We have like, they keep falling off. We have stuff prepared. We got some tea, Arizona tea. How is it not? Oh, I was like, what?
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, let me get a closer look at this.
The ultimate fire starter is now burning inside.
There you go, guys. It looks way cooler in person. Look at the camera and then look at that.
Yeah, it does.
Nice, because I'm a yandere.
Now, not cool. This thing should burn forever. Pretty much.
How are we gonna cook this one?
Huh?
How are we gonna cook? We don't have a grill yet.
No, I'm here.
Oh, yeah.
I told you, I just gotta get this thing built up. When it's finally hot enough, the coals are cold enough, like ready to cook, then you start cooking. Huh?
I'm a little bit closer. Don't want to get my laptop on fire. But I do want them to see it. Oh.
And we're
Unless you're an adult or 18. But if you're 18 and you're stupid, don't do this.
18 and stupid, that's the dream.
Yep. This one?
Just get
I'm
these.
just gonna like.
See?
Just put like.
Oh, I get you, yeah, I get you. Didn't I tell you this fire starter was gonna work-ish?
Workish.
Okay, now we can start.
Look how big that is.
Give me those, please. Oh, I got you.
Which ones? Oh.
Yeah, you might want to move your
Yeah,
laptop.
a bit. Hold on.
Give me the Some more? Because I need.
Some more sticks.
Yeah.
There.
Why is this?
See, we told you we were gonna do fire at nighttime. We're gonna cook. I'm not sure if it's now or later, but I will show you.
Wait.
Gotta cook, even though I don't know how to cook. All I know how to cook is eggs, because you just put it in the pot. Put it in the pot.
The pappy. You wanna get some of the thick one? I'm not even ready for them, but.
This one?
Could you help me, like, break these, please?
Yeah, I got you.
So they don't break. We got a pretty good fire going, right?
Yep, pretty good fire, guys. Fire is honestly easy to start if you have lighter and paper. We should just use paper from now on. Don't you think?
Yeah, but cotton balls is easier to, like,
No.
don't you think?
I think that's a bit too fucking tame, actually.
I'm not gonna need it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use it.
That's what I said.
I think the stick was wet.
Probably.
I got this though.
You got this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why'd you turn?
The laptop?
Yeah.
Oh, the stick hit it. This long piece right here. I'm just gonna use this knife.
Yeah. Like, let's start again. Where's the hatchet?
Over there, I think we still do it.
Did you make sure this doesn't go off?
Yeah. Can I just fold it? This tree is pretty unbreakable.
What?
Can I just fold it? Because it's unbreakable. It's too wet.
Yeah, just leave it. Just leave it. It's too wet. Just leave it.
Here, I got a non-wet piece.
Put it in.
Yeah, I fucked
Just got some little toes.
it. Here, look. See, like fold it like this. Like that. And then just put it on.
Yeah. Wait, is it wet? Is that the wet piece?
No.
Then you're good.
Oh. Beautiful fire. This is already broken. On the end. Huh? No?
Okay. I'm gonna put some more twigs in there.
Yeah. Now it's back on.
Oh.
Roasting marshmallows again. That is a huge fire and it's hurting my eyes. The smoke is like blue fire
Where?
at the bottom. You know you can make green fire? But I don't know how. Do you know how?
No.
You want to?
Maybe. Okay.
It roast too much, but I'm trying. It's kind of burning. How did that not catch on fire at all?
I totally missed that.
Yes.
That one in.
Which one? Oh, I got it. You want to see the knife?
Oh, it's over there.
It's right here. There. This one right here, huh?
Huh? Yeah. You got it in?
Yep. Kobe.
Okay.
Let me get this piece. Oh, they all melted.
Put more sticks in, please. Give me a knife. Yeah, just put it.
Oh!
Oh, give me a knife.
Roasting marshmallow. You can't even see this in the light. Oh, yeah, you can.
Wait, you just put. Did I tell you to put the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, put like leaves. Let it go on again.
There you go. Ah, this is fun. I want to go like backpacking or hiking just with me and you. Like no parents at all, just me and you.
That'd be fun.
Can't tell us what to do. My mom wouldn't go hiking.
She wouldn't.
Nah, she's afraid of heights. She's afraid she'll fall down or something.
Would you help her?
I mean, I don't like her, but that's my mom, so like I kind of have to.
I kind of have to.
Yeah.
She watches this video.
Yeah. I made her phone subscribe to my channel, but I didn't put on notifications, so she doesn't know.
Did you make your dad? Did you let your dad subscribe too?
My dad will never subscribe to me. Not that he doesn't like me, he just like doesn't go on YouTube at all.
The way to test if you're ready to cook on a fire is wait for it to burn out a little bit, right? Wait for the leaves to burn.
I know this video is pretty long for like a
And those
campfire.
burn out a little bit.
I apologize.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It burned your hand, huh?
Nope.
Yeah, there, you moved your hand.
Yeah, you're supposed to do 5.
Put your foot in it.
Now let it cook.
Your hand was gonna catch on fire. Wait, hold on, don't move it. Hold on, let me get an angle from your pot. Did you get that rock over here?
Yeah.
Pot is right there. Once again, I probably have to put a filter because physics don't work in this world. See that pot? There is food in it, but I don't know what food. But food is food,
Surprise.
and you have to eat it.
What's up?
That's me.
Destiny, shut up.
There you go.
Shut up.
Yes, I am roasting marshmallows.
Get. Get. Yes. You know this song going, right?
Who? Who's annoying?
Destiny.
Pots. I'll be back again. He's now checking the pot for some crap. Yeah, I'm too lazy to edit this out though, so it's all gonna stay. Look, this is how you master cook marshmallows. Just put 3 together and shove them on.
I'm trying to
So they put 3 skewers together. To make it look like one big marshmallow. Put 3 skewers together to make it look like one big marshmallow.
What? That is scared of that. She didn't want to come out.
You want some marshmallows?
What's that?
I'm recording it for YouTube. Since we have a YouTube channel.
She doesn't want things on camera.
Want some marshmallows?
What? This? Matthew, no! Why would you put that on there like that? That's gross! Look! Oh,
That is how you cook ravioli, I think it is.
Yeah, ravioli.
Yeah, that is how you cook ravioli.
Where's
If you guys want him to cook you some ravioli, leave it in the comments.
your spoon's outside?
Even though he can't cook you ravioli, but like, just leave a comment if you want some ravioli.
I have to know my shirt.
Guys, I'm Mexican.